economic advisor Anantha Nageswaran has said that the government is on track to achieving lower inflation that has been projected by the RBI. Speaking to my colleague Ritu Singh, the chief economic advisor said that IIP numbers tend to get adjusted in the later months, and he said that wouldn't read much into them. The IIP for the month of October contracted by 4%, coming in at a 26-month low.
These numbers are not seasonally adjusted and they do tend to get revised later. So I wouldn't read too much into one numbers, because we should also look at the fact that purchasing managers index numbers are quite strong, both in manufacturing and in services, and credit growth to all sectors, including industry, is growing at double digits. So I wouldn't be reading too much into one number.
And what about the inflationary front? Just the last question. It's finally come down below 6%, the upper tolerance limit of RBI's inflation band. But WPI is also, eased after several months. What is your reading? We've seen the worst of it. Is further action really warranted at this point of time in terms of rate hikes before we see the past actions really materialize?
No, I wouldn't comment on the monetary policy action. That I leave it to the central bank. Inflation, I mean, RBI has made its own projections, and they do take into consideration their own projections and in terms of what policy stance they would take. So therefore, that is completely in their domain. But as far as inflation is concerned, I think RBI's forecasts themselves suggest that they will be coming off the highs that we saw this year, and we are on track to achieve that.
Moving on, India's micro, medium and small